Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of nutrition and explore 5 powerful foods that naturally lower blood sugar levels. Backed by science, these foods are perfect for a viral health tip, and we're sure you'll find them fascinating. First up, we have apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. Did you know that taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in water before meals can reduce blood sugar spikes by an impressive 30%? That's right. The acetic acid in ACV slows down digestion and improves insulin sensitivity. Next, we have cinnamon, a spice that can lower fasting blood sugar by an impressive 10 to 30%. That's because it mimics insulin and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Moving on, we have oatmeal, a complex carbohydrate that provides sustained energy and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Fourth on our list is fenugreek, a seed that can lower blood sugar levels by up to 10% in just 24 hours. Finally, we have chia seeds, a superfood that can lower blood sugar levels by up to 30% when consumed with a meal. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful foods that naturally lower blood sugar levels, backed by science. We hope you found this information helpful and interesting. Remember to stay healthy and keep exploring the world of nutrition. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay happy.